Welcome back to equipmentforgarages.com. Introducing Kwik Lift Motorcycle Accessory Kit E4G 307. Since the introduction of the Kwik Lift, we've been asked a lot if we do a motorcycle attachment. Well, now we do. E4G 307 is a very simple attachment for your existing Kwik Lift frames. It has an aluminium checkered plate floor that is fixed on top of your existing Kwik Lift frames. It has a front wheel clamp to secure your bike onto the frame, and also it has tow straps that can secure the bike on the frame even further while you're carrying out all the repairs, maintenance, or simply cleaning the bike. The standard Kwik Lift combined with the motorcycle attachment has a lifting height of 450 millimeters and has a length of 2.3 meters and width of 725 millimeters, and it can accommodate most aftermarket specific motorcycle stands. Depends on the model of Kwik Lift frames that you purchased. The lifting capacity can be either 2.5 or 3.5 tons, not that you will ever need it. As you can see, this attachment consists of only two parts, the aluminium checkered floor and the wheel stand. Let me show you how to assemble it. The existing Kwik Lift frame is fixed together by using two adapter extender bolts, one at the bottom and one at the top. First, you need to undo both nuts on each side of the existing frame. Then we have two of these adapter bolts that go onto the outside, like this. Then we have two adapter bolts and a big coupler. You take one of them, you put a coupler onto one, then you attach this bolt onto the one side, and you put a coupler with another bolt onto the other side. You have to repeat the same on the bottom. Then you align two frames together, and you simply bolt them together like this. Now that the frame is assembled, we can put the checkered plate back onto the frame. All you need for this side is one washer and the existing nut that was on the original frame. This part of the frame is very, very easy. One side is only 4 bolts from the bottom and 3 bolts on one side. Once it's all tightened, this frame is ready to use. As you can see, this motorcycle attachment is very versatile. It fits right into your existing Kwik Lift frames. It's very easy to assemble and very easy to use. For all the details, pricing and availability, please visit the link at the bottom of the description. And thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye.